Hello my dear students, today I am going to start a new topic, operations on rational numbers. But you know the operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication and difference and division. So we have studied in fraction decimal chapter like that here rational numbers are there. So how to add the rational numbers? Nothing but how to add the fractions like that. So first one taking addition. So first one addition. So how to add the rational numbers, not fractions. So 8 by 5 plus minus 6 by 5. So how to add it? So here first denominators are same. So here denominators are same. That means just add the numerator. Okay. So here denominators are same. So take it as 5 and 8 plus of minus 6. So write it plus of minus 6. So you know that plus into minus. So 8 minus 6 divided by 5. What will get the answer? 8 minus 6. So that is 2 by 5. So answer is 2 by 5. So here denominators are same. So just add the numerator. But here addition is there. So addition. Plus into minus. So you get the answer 8 minus 6 by 5. 2 by 5. So take another one. 13 by 4 plus 12 by 4. So how to add the fractions? Here denominators are same. So just add the numerator. So what will get the answer? 13 plus 2, 25 by 4. So if denominators are different, so just take the LCM. So take another one. 6 by 4 plus 5 by 6. So here denominators are different. So first make the denominator same. Then only you can add the rational numbers. So here denominators are 4 and 6. So take the LCM of 4 and 6. Or otherwise directly you can multiply 6 to this number 4. Cross multiplication. So just write for cross multiplication. Otherwise take the LCM. 4 and 6 LCM. So 2 is a common factor. 2 2s are 2 3s are. So is there any common factor? No. So take the remaining numbers. So 3 1s are. So what is the LCM? So LCM is multiplication of these three factors. 2 into 3. So that is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So here 12. But here 4 is there. What you have to multiply for 4 to get 12? So multiply 3. So here 6 is there. So what you have to multiply? 2. 6 2s are 12, isn't it? 6 3s are how much? 18. Plus 5 2s are 10. What will get the answer? 28 by 12. So this is 28 by 12. So write this out in a standard form. Standard form means there is a common factor, only one common factor, that is 1. So in between numerator and denominator, here common factors are there. So try it for 4 3s are 4 7s are. What will get the final answer? 7 by 3. So here only one is the common factor. That means this is the standard form of this fraction, 28 by 12, 7 by 3. So how to add it? If denominators are different, just make the denominator same. So how to make that? Just take the LCM of that two numbers. We will get the answer. Next concept is additive inverse. Additive inverse of rational numbers. So how to find out that one? So take down 5 by 6 is there. Okay. So 5 by 6. Additive inverse of any rational number or any number is negative of that number. Negative of that number. If 5 is there, okay. So this is a one number. So how to find out the additive inverse of this number? Additive inverse of this number is negative of that number. Negative of that number. Here rational number is there. Again take it as a negative of that rational numbers. Negative of that rational numbers. So this is the additive inverse. Later we will get multiplicative inverse also. So how to find out the additive inverse of the rational numbers? So additive inverse is minus of that rational numbers, minus of that 0. So add this to 5 by 6 plus of minus 5 by 6. Okay. So here denominators are same. So keep it as this. 5 plus minus 5, isn't it? So plus into minus, minus 5 minus 5, 0. 0 by 6 is 0 only. 0 by 6, 0. 0 by 6 means 0 only. So if you add any two rational number, the result is 0. That means that two rational numbers are additive inverse to each other. 5 by 6 is the additive inverse of minus 5 by 6, or minus 5 by 6 is the additive inverse of 5 by 6. If they given minus 5 by 6, find out the additive inverse of this number. So otherwise I will take another one. Take example here. Minus 7 by 4. Minus 7 by 4. So how to find out the additive inverse of this rational number? So additive inverse is minus of that rational number. Minus of that rational number. So minus of minus 7 by 4. Minus of that rational number. Whatever the rational number is there. So you should multiply minus sign to that rational number. So minus into minus plus, isn't it? You will get 7 by 4. So add these two. What will be the answer? Minus 7 by 4 plus 7 by 4. So here 4 is common. Take 4 minus 7 plus 7. What will be the answer? 0, isn't it? 0 by 0, 0 by 4 is 0 only. So minus 7 by 4 is there. So that additive inverse is minus of that rational number. So minus into minus plus. Here plus sign is there, take it as minus. Here minus sign is there, take it as plus. Otherwise negative of that rational number. So additive inverse of any rational number p by q is negative of that rational number p by q. If they given p by q, negative of that rational number is a additive inverse. If they given again negative, so example here minus 6 by 5 is there. So how to find out the additive inverse? Just multiply minus sign. So just multiply minus sign. Additive inverse is negative of that rational number. So negative of that given rational number is minus 6 by 5 is there, isn't it? So multiply minus into minus plus. So you get 6 by 5, isn't it? 6 by 5 is the additive inverse of minus 6 by 5. Right? If you add that two rational number, result will be 0. So 6 by 5 minus 6 by 5 plus 6 by 5. So add it. 5 as this minus 6 plus 6. What will get the answer? Minus 6 plus 6, 0. 0 by 5 is 0. So this is the additive inverse of any rational number. So second, subtraction. So how to subtract a rational number? So take note the examples. 12 by 3 minus 4 by 5. So how to subtract the rational numbers? First, here denominators are different. So first make the denominator same. So take the LCM of these two numbers. Here, is there any common factor? 3 and 5? No, only one is the common factor. If only one common factor is there, that means just cross multiply. You will get the direct LCM. What is the LCM of 3 and 5? 3 5s are 50. So LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. 3 into 5, 15. Otherwise write down 3 into 5, that is 15. Okay. So now here 3 is there. So take the denominator as 15. So here 3 is there. What we have to multiply? For 3 to get 15, 3 5s are. Just cross multiply. Here multiply 3. Here 5 and here 3. 12 5s are how much? 16. 4 3s are 12. So now denominator is 15. Only subtract the numerator. What will get the answer? 60 minus 12. 48 by 15. So this is the first one, subtraction. Just make the denominator same. So take another one. 16 by 5 minus 18 by 3. Okay. So here denominators So take the different denominators 6 and 8. So here 6 and 8 is there. Different denominators, take the LCM otherwise just cross multiply. So LCM of 6 and 8. So is there any common factor between 6 and 8? Yes, 2. Why? Because these two are even numbers. 2 3s are 2 4s are. Next, is there any common factor other than 1? No. So that means take the remaining numbers. 3 1s are as is. Next 4. So take down the 4 next. So LCM is multiplication of these three factors. So LCM equals to 2 into 3 into 4. 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. So here denominator will get 24. So here 6 is there, so multiply 4. Here 8 is there, multiply 3. Why? 6 4s are 24, 8 3s are 24. So 16 4s are 64 minus 18 3s are how much? 54. So now 64 minus 54 how much? 10. 10 by 24. So is this in the standard form? No, because here common factor is there 2. So subtract 2 5s are 2 1s are 2 2s are. So what is the standard form? 5 by 12. Okay, this is the subtraction of rational numbers. Next, multiplication of rational numbers. So take down the examples. So this is third one. So take down the examples. 3 by 4 into 5 by 8. So how to multiply the rational numbers? So just multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. You will get the answer. 3 5s are how much? 15. Next 4 8s are 32. So this is the answer. Just multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So take another one. 15 by 4 into minus 6 by 5. So now multiply it. Otherwise here 15 is there, here 5 is there. So only division is possible only when numbers are in numerator and denominator. Here 5 is there, here 15 is there. So 5 1s are 5 3s are, isn't it? Next here 4 is there, here 6 is there. So cancellation possible because these two are even numbers. 2 2s are 2 3s are. So what are the remaining numbers? 3 into minus 3, 3 into minus 3 and 2 into 1, 2 into 1. What will get the answer? 3 3s are 9. Plus into minus. If there is no sign means plus sign will be there. Plus into minus, minus. Minus 9 divided by 2. Or otherwise you can directly multiply this. Or otherwise 15 by 4 is there into minus 6 by 5. Both are same. So multiply 15 6 are how much? 90 plus into minus, minus 4 5s are 20. Okay. So here 0 is there, here also 0 is there. Cancel. What will get the final answer? Minus 9 by 2. Same no? Both are correct. Use any one method. So this is the multiplication of rational numbers. Last operation, division. So how to divide the rational numbers? So you already know that 3 by. So take first one 3 by 4 divided by 5 by 6. So here division sign is there. So how to divide the rational numbers? So first remove this division sign. So how to remove this? If you want to remove this, take the reciprocal of these rational numbers. So reciprocal. How to find out the reciprocal? So reciprocal. So how to find out the reciprocal of any rational number? So take it. Here 3 by 4 is there. So here 3 is in the numerator, 4 is in the denominator. Just interchange the numerator to denominator. You will get the reciprocal. So reciprocal is interchange the denominator and numerator. Reciprocal is 4 by 3. That's it. 3 by 4. Reciprocal is 4 by 3. Just interchanging the numerator and denominator. So take another one. Minus 5 by 6. What will be the reciprocal of minus 5 by 6? Just interchange the numerator and So reciprocal is 6 by 5. So here minus is there. So take it minus. So this is the reciprocal. Reciprocal of minus 5 by 6 is minus 6 by 5. Just interchanging the numerator and denominator. You will get the reciprocal. So here, how to remove the division sign? Take the reciprocal of second rational number. This is first rational number. This is second rational number. So take the reciprocal of the second rational number. If you want to remove the division sign. So 3 by 4 as is. 3 by 4 as is into you have taken into in place of division sign you have taken multiplication sign. So take the reciprocal of 5 by 6, that is 6 by 5. 6 by 5. So now here cancellation possible, otherwise directly multiply. 6 3s are 18, 4 5s are 20. So these for even numbers division is possible, otherwise keep it as it is. This is the final answer. If you want to again cancel it. 2 9s are 2 10s are. So what will be the answer? 9 by 10. So how to divide any rational numbers? So first remove the division sign. How to remove it? Just take the reciprocal of second rational number. So this is first, take the reciprocal of second rational number. So how to find out the reciprocal? This is this way. Just interchanging the numerator and denominator. So take the another one. 15 by 4 divided by minus 5 by 6. So how to divide this one? 15 by 4 as this. Keep it as this. So remove this division sign. In place of division sign, take the multiplication sign. So if you want to take multiplication sign, take the reciprocal of minus 5 by 6. What will be the answer? Minus 6 by 5. Now multiply 15 6 are 90, 4 5 are 20. So here plus is there, here minus is. Plus into minus, minus. Cancellation possible. What will be the answer? Minus 9 by 2. Minus 9 by 2. Next concept is multiplicative inverse. So here, so take down this one. 5 by 6 is there. Okay. So 5 by 6. So how to find out the multiplicative inverse of this rational numbers? 5 by 6. So multiplicative inverse of any rational number is reciprocal of that number. But if the sign plus is there, so take down the reciprocal directly. If the sign given minus, take it as minus. Okay. So here multiplicative inverse is 6 by 5. Reciprocal of that rational number, not fraction. Reciprocal of that rational number. Here plus is there, so we have taken plus sign. So why it is a 6 by 5? So if you multiply 5 by 6 into 6 by 5, so multiply, otherwise cancel it here. 5 ones are 5 ones are 6 ones are 6 ones are. What will be the answer? 1 by 1 means 1 only. If you multiply any two rational number, the answer will be 1. That means that two rational numbers are multiplicative inverse between them. So here 5 by 6 is there, 6 by 5. Like that, I will take minus 7 by 4. So what will be the multiplicative inverse? The result must be plus 1. Result must be plus 1. So that will be the multiplicative inverse. So what will be the multiplicative inverse? So multiplicative inverse is 4 by 7 as it is, the reciprocal of that rational numbers. But here minus sign is there. So here also take it as minus sign. Here plus sign, so I have taken plus. Here minus sign is there, so I have taken minus sign. So multiply, what will be the answer? Minus 7 by 4 into minus 4 by 7. So here cancellation possible. 7 ones are 7 ones are, 4 ones are 4 ones are. Minus into minus plus, isn't it? Answer will be 1. So this is as same as additive inverse. In additive inverse, you should add the rational numbers. Here multiply. Okay. Here result must be plus 1. This is the multiplicative inverse.